Welcome to Jandjautowrecking test video, stock number 9483. Today we have a 2004 Chevrolet Tahoe, 129,000 mile, 5.3 liter truck in really good condition. Unfortunately, it ended up on its side. No idea how, but we're going to show you the damage here really quickly. There it is. Beautiful truck though. It was very, very nice until this happened to it. I see a tire sensor I'm going to need. That's awesome. Like I said though, guys, one of the cleanest GMT800s I've seen in a very long time. Not really a fan of the color, but I don't know if the camera's picking this up. This paint is flawless. Absolutely beautiful. Cloth interior, low trim truck, but it's nice. It is, you're not going to be able to feel it. It's just nice stuff. You don't often find a GMT800 in this good of condition. I mean, look at that. A not broken bench seat. Man, this is comfy. What are we listening to today, boys? Let's see what we got in the old CD player. Dave Matthews Band. Whatever, man. No judgment here. Oh, I can't try those windows because they're flopped. Power windows work on this side. Power mirrors working there. Let's get that turned off. 5.3 runs great though, guys. Look at that oil pressure. Man, that's what you want to see on your 5.3. All right, let's go ahead and put this thing in gear. Reverse right away. Drive right away. Everything's good. For the hell of it, let's put her in 4 high. Let's see if she shifts. Well, she's having some issues there. We'll check her in a moment. I'm not able to actually spin it, you know, because of the whole DB to tire situation. What a nice car, truck, whatever you want to call it. What a nice example of a mid-2000s GM SUV. Very, very nice condition. No chipping on any of this dashboard stuff. I'm jealous. This is what I wish the interior of my truck looked like, but it doesn't. Anyways, guys, that is going to wrap up the Jandjautowrecking test video of one super minty fresh GMT800. You know the gig. If you're looking for parts, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at Jandjautowrecking. Pour one out for my homie, this Tahoe, because he's not making it home tonight. Thanks for watching.